Can I just say, sarado yung gusto kong puntahan na cafe, so I decided to give Ula a second chance. The last time I was here, hojicha lang yung available, but I'm glad na yung much talked about matcha nila ay available na. I got a cold foam matcha latte with matcha salt. They make your drink in front of you, so you see the entire experience. Kala mo naman alam ko talaga yung ginagawa, pero nag-ask na lang ako if it's okay lang to take a video. And maybe this is the reason why di natin dapat ever ipagdamot ang second chances. Surprisingly, itong matcha nila is so much better than the hojicha that I got from the last time. Although talagang prominent sa kanila na medyo light yung flavor, but I like this because the matcha is umami. Grassy yung lasa ng matcha nila, which to me is no problem at all kasi I really like grassy matcha. I'll be very honest. Hindi ako masyado nag-expect kasi nga hindi naman ako masyado natuwa when I got their hojicha. But this one, it's so much better than the hojicha one. Now I get the hype for Ula, for their matcha. I think this is a good one. This is a good matcha choice para sa for those starting out with their matcha exploration, if that makes sense. And I would say this is even better than the one I got from the U brand. So I was drinking the matcha. Tapos may nahigop ako na matcha salt. And can I just say, it's really good. The matcha salt was really good. I think it's perfect to cut through the richness ng cold foam. Although nakita ko na naglagay sila ng sweetener dito sa matcha, it's not overpowering at all. It was just the right sweetness to enhance the flavor of the matcha. I paid 240 for this and gets ko na bakit ang daming may gusto dito sa matcha ng Ula. It is decent, affordable, generous ang serving, and palatable for the Filipino exploring taste. Ganda ng small Harajuku style store nila. Sana lang though, warmer yung staff. Parang twice na akong pumunta na nonchalant and stiff sila. Overall, if you're looking for a decent matcha na perfect para sa mga nag-e-explore pa lang or yung mga usual everyday pick-me-up drink, I say go na, try mo na to.